Sa ibang balita, pagkilala sa galing ng mga mag-aaral na Filipino-Canadian. Ito ang naging pagdiriwang ng komunidad ngayong linggo sa Ontario, kung saan bumisita ang mga dating pinarangalan dito at ibinahagi ang kahalagahan ng mga events tulad nito. Narito ang report. Sa Ontario nitong linggo ng hapon, kinilala sa Filipino Center Toronto ang bukod-tanging Filipino-Canadian students sa kanilang academic excellence at kanilang mga kontribusyon sa komunidad.
Their achievements are truly commendable, and we are filled with immense pride to witness your success.
Isa sa mga nakatanggap ng Outstanding Student Award si Christian Escocio na ngayon nasa grade 12. Aniya, nakakaengganyo para sa mga mag-aaralang pagkilala ng komunidad sa kanilang pagsisikap.
Gusto ko maging pediatrician doctor in the future. Yeah, this award would mean to me a lot because it would be able to help me open new doors and like new opportunities, and I can also inspire other students to do their best in everything they do.
I have now realized the importance of this recognition. So standing before you now as an educator, a mom, an entrepreneur, a consultant.
Maging si Mary Ann Santos, balik Filipino Center Toronto matapos ang ilang taon. Mula nang siya'y parangalan ng Outstanding Post-Secondary Graduate Award noong 2018.
It is a reminder that all the students who are doing their best quietly with their quiet discipline, their persistence on studies, their involvement in the community, their leadership roles, these are exactly what we want in the community. Students who strive to be who they want to be, and we are actually celebrating not only their achievement, but also who they're becoming. Ang parangal na ito ay isang magandang paalala sa atin na ang tagumpay ng kabataan ay hindi lamang nasusukat sa academic excellence, bagkos ang kanilang involvement sa community, ang kanilang leadership, ang kanilang kakayahan na hindi lamang magtagumpay para sa kanilang sarili, at bagkos mabigyan ng pagkakataon na iba pa ay magkaroon ng ehemplo sa community.
Ito na ang ika-20 taon ng Rosalinda Javier Outstanding Student Awards, kung saan 5 mag-aaral ang pinarangalan ngayong taon. At mahigit 150 estudyante na rin ang pinarangalan mula 2005.
In honor of the first president of the Filipino Center. Her name is Rosalinda C. Javier, and I would say without her, we wouldn't have a building, a center for the Filipinos here in Toronto. She was a teacher with the Toronto Catholic School Board, very much an advocate for academic excellence.
Ayon sa community leaders, patuloy nilang isasagawa ang student awards na ito taon-taon, lalo't mahalaga raw na ipaalam ang kontribusyon ng Pinoy students sa Canadian communities.